Good morning, everybody. Jack Leeson with StartupTrading.com. It is 9:13 here on December 3rd, and the title of the video is Sweep Lower into Extension. It's exactly what we got going on here right now. We've just put in a fat little ATR bar down on the 5-minute and run into the extension from yesterday. Very aggressive open up. I think it was like an 80 or 95.5-minute candle. And then basically we held the most aggressive variation of an extension, which was a 9:05 a.m. anchor to high. We traded like to the tick off its 38, rallied into a new high, completed targets, and then to the tick again off its 38. We are going to be opening here right at the 50% attrition, which is going to be a 21,151. That is going to be my first anticipated level. But if we are getting a bigger sweep of support, I wouldn't really look until anything until 2100. Hold on, someone's at my door. One moment. All right, back at it here. So we have run down into that 50% resistance. You also have, so if you look at yesterday, we basically went to the negative 100. Let me go to a 15-minute time frame here. You had the negative 100 of the traditional Wednesday of last week to the highs of overnight highs of Thursday. Went all the way through its negative 100, and that's where I'm pulling this extension from. So the deeper pullback would get us down there. It's also really a halfway back long for the week, so you can look at, the lows of Monday to high, and that's going to line up right there. So the deeper pullback here is going to be right around 2100, and really anything below that, I don't know where support would be at. I would have to see some price action. So I'm going to take a shot here at along at the 21,151, and then 50 points basically below that is where I would look for my next support there in the NASDAQ, and those are going to be the two setups here, but my bias is bullish at those support levels, and if we break the most aggressive one, then I would look for a potential full halfway back short. Moving on to the S&P 500. Here's just a daily chart we're looking at, and just be aware higher time frame targets are 61.31. Moving on to, getting bothered this morning. And yesterday we had this extension. Get rid of the extended session actually here for a moment. As you can see, we had traditionals out of lows. So if you go back to Wednesday of last week, once to target, and then even though we were at half days, you had that next measured move here to target, and then what was Thursday's high to high is what held, and in the overnight session we have come down, and there was a 60.59, which was a halfway back long for the day. We've now broken that. We're trading under. What it looks like we're going to rotate into is just the same extension again. And so I'm going to just drag this anchor up to the new high. And be aware that 60.54s, which is like right below where we're currently trading, is the next support level. And these are right now the only, I'm not going to be trading oil or gold here today, so I'm just going to leave it at this, and I'll share these levels with you guys in the room. Let me see, go to the extended session here in the ES. See if we actually we've come very close to trading that extension, but we'll see if we get a reaction. I did just get long as 51s. I'll share these levels with you guys, and everybody have a great day. Take care.